Okay, so this is part 2 with the 2021-2022 Toyota Aqua. We're here in the shop by my good friend Beshma. So here what we're gonna do. This is actually gonna be a very short video. We're just gonna lift up the vehicle. We're gonna change the oil. We're gonna see what type of oil we're gonna use. We're gonna see what type of oil filter we're gonna use. How many quarts of oil this M58 engine takes. Let's see take out the undercover of the vehicle. Let's have a little mechanical inspection of the brand new Toyota Aqua. We're talking about a basic service. Okay, so check out the previous video because we did a complete high voltage battery tutorial because it's very, very nice. So what we're gonna do, let me show you quickly. Lift it up and then do a complete service of the brand new 2021-2022 Toyota Aqua. Okay, so stick around. Okay, so as you guys saw, this is the new M58 1.5 internal combustion engine, which is a 3-cylinder. Okay, now everything over here it's pretty easy accessible for services. We saw that before, but this vehicle is originally made to use 0W20. Once again, however, we didn't find that engine oil over here. Although just watching the technical chart about this internal combustion engine, 0W10 will work, 0W16 will work as well, and 0W20 can work as well. The difference between 0W8 compared to 0W16 or 0W20, we're talking about 1.2% of efficiency. That's all. It's a tiny, but that's how it is. So let's lift up the vehicle and take out the undercover and change the internal combustion engine oil. So let's continue. Sorry, one more thing. Let me just take out the cover. Let's see. Engine looking pretty nice. Let's see. Yeah, but the oil has a little color already. Whew, it's hot. I think this is the first oil change that this engine takes. We will see. Let's continue. Okay, so the vehicle's up the lift. Of course, we're gonna have to take these out. But in order to change the oil, the only thing you need to do is just take out this small little cover, which we're gonna take it out. But if we want to see the complete underneath the internal combustion engine and the transmission, you got to take out this complete cover. So let's take it out. In the meantime, let's take a quick look on the back underneath the vehicle. All right. Now you have to know that there's a 4-wheel drive version of this vehicle, okay? That doesn't come with a big drive shaft, just in an electric motor over here. Although this one is the standard version, okay? Small little filter over here. This is a gas filter, carbon filter over here. Okay, suspension pretty similar to the old version as well, but in the meantime what we need to do is just take out this plastic cover. So let me take it out and we will continue. Okay, we took out the cover. Let's make a complete quick description of everything located underneath the internal combustion engine and the transmission. Take a look. All right, so as I said, a new redesigned engine, and the oil filter, as you can see, is the very same. Okay, it's a new redesigned AC compressor. Okay, now this transmission is different. It's actually bigger and stronger. This is the P910, and it has a electric gear selection, which is great. The other super great thing that I liked is that it has a cooler for the oil of the transmission, which is great too. Okay. And the other thing is, super great improvement as well, engine oil level sensor. In other words, if your engine runs out of oil, you will get a warning light for sure. Or I don't know if this time the vehicle cuts off. Okay, so let's keep looking. All right, the rest of the sensors over there in the back. Let me see. Now this transmission, the P910 right here, P910, completely new redesign. Transaxle is just more stronger. The hybrid system coolant pump, all right, and that should be it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this 14mm bolt and take out the filter to change. So we will continue. Okay, now this one is cool because we can allow it to drain directly. But yes, as you can see, the oil, it's burned already. This oil never been changed at all. So 90950 10009. Let's compare it with the one I brought. Let's see. Here it is, the original filter, which is the, all right, yeah, they're definitely the same. 90915. Okay, so let's see the condition of it. Well, it's a little dirty, but we will clean it for sure. The other thing is we're about to drain the engine oil, so we will continue that. All right, Bashman, my friend, you got the honors. Bashman, how do we tighten this oil filter?
3/4 turn.
There you go. That's it. Just apply your force, and that should be it. Now, if you ask me, I don't use any type of wrench, anything to adjust the engine oil. Just make sure I have a nice grip and tighten it up pretty hard. I did a great job. See, let me see. But because I'm Popeye, that should be it. Now let's drain the oil. So we will continue. All right, so it is a 14 millimeter. All right, let's take it up. Go ahead. My good friend Bashman is giving me a hand here. There it is. So yep, it definitely has color. How long has this oil been here? All right. So according to the manufacturer specification, the M58 engine, okay, which is a 1.5 3-cylinder, it uses 3.6 quarts of engine oil, which in this case, remember, manufacturer recommends to use 0.8, but also 0W16 will work just fine. That's the oil we're gonna use. Okay, so we'll continue. We're almost done. All right, so we're still draining the oil, so we already have a small review of it, and we have our sonar system over here. Another one, we have the central front camera for smart driving system. We have the ambient temperature sensor. Let's see what else we got. Hello there. That is clearly telling me that one of the greatest features of this vehicle that has self-driving assistance, this vehicle even parked by itself, which is something pretty great. The other thing is that the sonar system, the smart driving assistant, is a super feature, and this is the simple model, the basic model. There is still, as I said, a 4-wheel drive version of it. Okay, so anyway, we finished the drain. Let's put everything back and let's top up the oil now. We'll continue. So as I said, in this opportunity, we're gonna use 100% synthetic 0W16, which is approved by the Society of Automotive Engineers. There's absolutely nothing to discuss about the AMS oil, because that's one of the best oils that you can use in the market for sure. Even, I would say, this is 100%, it's even better than Toyota. If you don't like what I'm saying, that's on you. Okay, so let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it takes 3.6 according to the manufacturer specification. All right, let's put it in. All right, here my good friend Beshma. Yeah, super light. But the 0.8 is even lighter. But just 1% of difference, so you'll work just fine. And basically, this is it. Let's just finish to put 3.6. Start the engine, measure with a dipstick, and we're almost done. So we put the 3 quarts, and this one we left it on probably 0.3 liters. Go ahead, let's measure it to see. Now we have to start the vehicle, of course. Let's see what she's marking right now. All right, but she's marking right in the top of the mark. Let's start the engine and measure back again. We will continue. Almost done. All right, first start. All right. Three-cylinder engine, eh? I drove this vehicle, and let me tell you something. This vehicle is way much more stronger than the previous aqua, for sure, because it uses a bigger battery, and Smaller engine, but stronger, way much more efficient. Okay, so let's cut off the vehicle and measure the dipstick back again. All right, here we go again with my good friend Beshma. Let's see. Focus, focus, focus. Let's see. Whoa, she's not focused. But yeah, we're tying a little under the level. Let me tell you something. She will take almost the 4 quarts, if you ask me. All right. All right. So we could say this is done. This now. The other thing is that probably this vehicle, when it was sold, they put some sticky something material, and that makes the engine to become horribly dirty with dust and debris, which the only way to solve that is with a powerful compressor, air, and doing that every single time that you get a chance. Once a week you should bring back the engine. Otherwise, if you leave it like this with all this sticky material, it will get nasty. Now, regards to the air filter, as you saw in the previous video, I shared the part number with you guys. It's not the same from the previous Toyota Aqua. This one is actually the same of the Yaris Cross Hybrid, okay, which nobody has it here yet, although all the suppliers, they are aware, okay? How are they aware? Well, follow my TikTok. I'm making every single TikTok every day with basic tutorials about hybrid and electric vehicle for you, okay? In the meantime, we're finished over here servicing. This is done. Air filter, we just clean and put it back in. The cabin filter, you could use the one of the previous model, although there's a ton of different, but it works just fine. Make sure, once again, clean the high voltage battery, cooling fan, filter, because it will be better, but because it has a filter now, it will get clogged pretty much faster. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, please don't forget, hit that red button, like and subscribe. You've got to support the channel. So this year is coming with very nice video, but I strongly once again invite you, follow the TikTok. Every day I'm posting very nice tutorials about hybrid vehicles. So stick around and I'll see you guys in the very next episode. Bye bye.